Carbohydrates are organic compounds of C, H, O in 1:2 ratio. Monosaccharides are simple sugars. Glucose, fructose, galactose. Monosaccharides are water-soluble and sweet-tasting. Disaccharides form from two monosaccharides via glycosidic bonds. Examples of disaccharides: sucrose, lactose, maltose. Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides. Starch is energy storage in plants. Glycogen in animals. Cellulose forms plant cell walls. Chitin forms fungal walls and exoskeleton. Carbohydrates provide immediate energy for cells. Ribose and deoxyribose are sugars in RNA and DNA. Carbohydrates can be structural, cellulose, or storage, starch. Oligosaccharides have 3 to 10 monosaccharides. Function in cell recognition. Glycogen is highly branched, making glucose release rapid. Cellulose fibers provide rigidity and prevent cell bursting. Carbohydrates participate in signaling and recognition processes.
Proteins are polymers of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. 20 amino acids are building blocks of proteins. Amino acids have amino group, carboxyl group, hydrogen, and R group. Primary structure is amino acid sequence. Secondary structure forms alpha helix and beta sheet via H bonds. Tertiary structure is 3D folding from side chain interactions. Quaternary structure is multiple polypeptide chains forming a functional protein. Proteins act as enzymes, hormones, transporters, and structural molecules. Transport proteins like hemoglobin carry molecules in blood. Defense proteins like antibodies protect the body. Contractile proteins like actin and myosin aid in movement. Enzymes are proteins that catalyze biochemical reactions. Denaturation by heat, pH, or chemicals disrupts protein structure. Fibrous proteins, keratin, collagen, provide structure. Globular proteins, hemoglobin, enzymes, are functional proteins. Lipids are hydrophobic molecules mainly of C and H. Triglycerides are fats and oils composed of glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Saturated fats have no double bonds. Solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fats have double bonds. Liquid at room temperature. Phospholipids form cell membranes with hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails. Steroids include cholesterol and hormones like testosterone. Waxes protect plant leaves and animal skin surfaces. Lipids store more energy than carbohydrates per gram. Essential fatty acids cannot be synthesized by humans. Lipids provide insulation and protect organs. Cholesterol is structural component of cell membranes. Lipid bilayer controls passage of molecules in and out of cells. Trans fats are artificially hydrogenated. Harmful to health. Lipid-derived molecules act as signaling molecules. Adipose tissue stores energy as triglycerides.
Nucleic acids store and transmit genetic information. DNA is double-stranded. RNA is usually single-stranded. Nucleotides are composed of sugar, phosphate, nitrogen base, DNA bases, AT, GC, RNA bases, AU, GC. mRNA carries code from DNA to ribosomes. tRNA transports amino acids during protein synthesis. rRNA forms ribosomes and catalyzes peptide bonds. DNA strands held together by hydrogen bonds between bases. Phosphodiester bonds connect nucleotides into chains. ATP is a nucleotide that stores and provides cellular energy. Nucleic acids are involved in replication, transcription, Translation: DNA replication is semi-conservative. RNA participates in gene expression and regulation. Nucleic acids also function as coenzymes. NAD, FAD. Mutations in nucleic acids can alter protein synthesis. Enzymes are biological catalysts speeding up reactions. Most enzymes are proteins with specific 3D shapes. Active site binds substrate forming enzyme-substrate complex. Enzymes lower activation energy for reactions. Enzyme activity is affected by pH, temperature. Inhibitors. Cofactors are inorganic helpers. Coenzymes are organic helpers. Lock and key model shows exact substrate fit. Induced fit model shows active site adapts to substrate. Hydrolases. Oxidoreductases. Transferases. Ligases are enzyme classes. Enzyme specificity allows only certain substrates to bind. Competitive inhibitors resemble substrate and bind active site. Non-competitive inhibitors bind elsewhere, changing enzyme shape. Enzymes are not consumed in reactions. Enzymes catalyze both synthesis and breakdown reactions. Enzyme-substrate complex facilitates product formation.
Vitamins are organic compounds needed in small amounts. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, stored in body fat. Water-soluble vitamins B complex, C, not stored in body. Vitamin A supports vision and skin health. Vitamin D regulates calcium and bone growth. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant protecting cells. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting. Vitamin C helps collagen synthesis and immunity. Deficiency of vitamins causes specific diseases. Vitamin B1. Thiamine. Deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes pernicious anemia. Fat-soluble vitamins can accumulate and cause toxicity. Water-soluble vitamins are excreted if in excess. Vitamins often act as coenzymes in metabolic reactions. Balanced diet provides necessary vitamins for health. Minerals are inorganic elements essential for health. Calcium needed for bones, teeth, muscles, nerves. Phosphorus part of ATP. Nucleic acids, bones. Iron is part of hemoglobin for oxygen transport. Iodine needed for thyroid hormone production. Sodium and potassium maintain osmotic balance. Nerve impulses. Magnesium is cofactor for many enzymes. Zinc required for enzyme function and immunity. Copper helps in hemoglobin synthesis. Fluorine strengthens teeth and prevents decay. Minerals act as cofactors for metabolic reactions. Deficiency causes diseases like anemia, goiter, rickets. Trace elements needed in small amounts. Major in large amounts. Balanced diet ensures proper mineral intake. Minerals maintain pH and water balance in body.